clauses in the Constitution that were targeted by the Constitutional Amendment Bill 2020. National Assembly Clerk Michael Sialai has already asked Kenyans to present proposals on a bill that contains some of the critical proposals contained in the BBI. The Constitutional Amendment Bill number 40 of 2022 seeks to allow the President to appoint MPs to the position of the Cabinet, as Joash Onsare now reports.
The Constitutional Amendment Bill number 40 of 2020 seeks to allow the President appoint elected members of Parliament to the Cabinet and also allow the President to assign Attorney General duties of a Cabinet Secretary. National Assembly Clerk Michael Sialai has already asked Kenyans to present proposals on a bill that contains some of the critical proposals contained in the BBI. The bill further seeks to allow the governors appoint members of county assemblies to the position of County Executive Committee in the county assemblies. So far, the bill has undergone the first reading in the National Assembly and has been advertised for public participation in various counties, scheduled for 13 to 23rd August 2021.
The bill that is now before public participation, Bill number 40 of 2020, was conceived under that understanding, and it provides that the President will henceforth constitute his cabinet from members who have been elected into Parliament.
The National Assembly's Justice and Legal Affairs has endorsed a similar bill seeking to amend Article 152 of the Constitution to remove the clauses providing for cabinet secretaries to be drawn from among technocrats.
This has three benefits. One, it helps us become more effective in the delivery of services, efficient in the delivery of services, and effective and accountable in the delivery of services. You will notice today that if we have a question or we want to ask a minister or the executive about a happening within an area, we cannot be able to ask the person directly.
And with the Building Bridges Initiative BBI case still pending in the Court of Appeal, Parliament move appears calculated to effect constitutional amendment that will not require a referendum.
When you appoint an elected member of Parliament to the executive, he now starts serving you as a minister, but without an extra salary. The salary that he was being paid as a member of Parliament is the same salary that you continue receiving even when he is now a minister. The only thing that is extra is the title. And this, when you talk about wage bill, which has been a concern for many Kenyans, this reduces the wage bill in the country. So, and this is an issue we conceived even before the issues of BBI were ever put on the table.
However, the National Council of Churches of Kenya leaders who met in Limuru on Thursday have condemned the move by Parliament to amend the 2010 Constitution.
The National Council of Churches, as well as other Kenyans, have consistently expressed themselves that the amendment of the Constitution of Kenya should be a people-driven process.
The Court of Appeal is set to deliver its ruling on the BBI Bill on the 20th of next month.
All the religious leaders have advised that the process be postponed until after the 2022 general elections. It is therefore immoral, disrespectful, and wrong for the Parliament of Kenya to initiate piecemeal constitutional amendments so close to the next general election.
Joash Onsare, TV 47, Nairobi.